Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of TikTok success stories. Take this account for instance, just 5 months old, but already making waves with simple montage videos. In fact, their latest post from just 4 days ago has already racked up over 1 million views. It's a collection of clips with an AI voiceover, and it's surprisingly effective. Here's the kicker. When we tally up all their views, it's a staggering 13,152,000 and counting. Crunching the numbers, that's potentially $657 in the past week alone, averaging out to $939 per day. So stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind their viral success. First up, we have MicMonster. This website is an absolute game changer for content creators. With MicMonster, you can create unlimited AI voiceover clips of up to 300 words each. It's an incredible tool for adding professional narration to your videos without breaking a sweat. If you're about the topic for your video and you don't have a script, you can seek assistance from ChatGPT, because a good script is essential for recording a voiceover. Unlike ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 3.5 is completely free and doesn't even require an account. I'm sure Quick Fix uses ChatGPT to both help them plan their video and to write their video script. It's like having a personal brainstorming assistant right at your fingertips. Now, to create a video, you need footages. In that case, we can use stock footage such as Pexels. This platform is a treasure trove of high-quality stock videos that you can download and use in your projects for free. It's perfect for creating captivating montages or adding visual flair to your content without breaking the bank. Once you have your video clips and voiceover clips, now you need editing software. Personally, I prefer CapCut for creating short-form videos. CapCut is a web-based video editor that offers all the features you need to create stunning videos right from your computer or phone. It's user-friendly and perfect for both beginners and seasoned editors alike. Now time to upload your video on TikTok. TikTok, it's honestly pretty crazy. People are getting rich on here, earning thousands of dollars a month. Their ad program pays out huge ad rates for videos 1 minute or longer. On average, people are earning 50 cents to up to $2 per 1,000 views. Unfortunately, it's important to note that unlike YouTube, TikTok's ad program isn't available in all countries worldwide. The listed countries are currently eligible for participation. Therefore, if you reside outside of these countries, I suggest sticking to YouTube. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.